we are doing a review on a tablet, this little baby here. This is a 8-inch Android 10 tablet, and it costs around about £80 odd, and I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. And it's a company I've never heard of before, so I'm not going to try and pronounce their name because I'll probably say it wrong. So I will just stick it on the screen now, and you can decide how to pronounce it yourself. So operating system is Android. It's screen size of 8 inches. It has RAM of 3 gigabytes and a storage of 32 gigabytes and quad core. And this is the series H6, that's what it says on the Amazon website. And also, I've never seen this before as well, this is a first for me, it's Google GMS certified. I had to read up on this because I thought, well, what's that mean? So basically, they've tested this first before it's released to make sure it's safe for you to use. So it says on the internet, Google prioritised test suites which test the compatibility of Google apps with the Android device, this baby here. In addition to the GMS test suites, also performs various security related tests to verify that the user's data on the device is secure or not. So it's been tested by Google, so hopefully it should be safe. So we're going to have a quick look around the box. So it's a tablet PC on the side, and shows you what it can do: play music, play video, play games. You can read on it, take photos, and do some painting. Is that painting? Not sure, could be. So that's about it. There you go. IPS, Google, so like I said, been tested by Google. This is the GB version, Great Britain. It has a 5000 milliamp battery, and it has Type-C connection. I'm going to go and get my knife, and we're going to cut it all open and see what you get for your money. Oh, very nice. Warranty card. What's that say? Activate your warranty, visit blah blah blah. I will read that later. Move that out of the way. Peel this off, shall we? Not on very well, is it? Got reset. It looks like on off button there. Plus and minus. Headphones. Not sure what that is. And connections. Okay, so it takes a headphone socket, which is good. Should have done that slow, shouldn't I? So this is it. Let's see what else is in the box, in case there's other stuff. Like a USB cable for charging it up. A little 2-pin connection charger. Just a standard charger, so that should go in your Razer connections, or if you've got a smart plug like me, it'll go in that. And oh, comes with headphones. Oh, wasn't expecting that. Added bonus. Well, they look alright, don't they? Yeah, very nice. And what's this? Looks like a screen protector. I would say that was the screen protector. That is a screen protector in there. That's very good. I like that. I'm not going to use it yet, but that is very good. And the manual. So what we're going to do now is charge up, and I'm going to have a quick read the instructions. Right, so it's all charged up. One thing to note, this is a quick guide. It is not an in-depth guide, and there's no pictures, or not many anyway, so it doesn't show you what all the connections are, which is a little bit unusual. Normally you'd like to see what all the connections are. Normally you will find them in the manual, even in the quick guide one, but it gives you a brief idea what they are down there and how to use the tablet. But this is, like I said, a quick guide. One thing I didn't mention was the cameras. So front camera, rear camera, as you can see. So they're 2 megapixels and 5 megapixels. So I'm guessing that's a 5 and that's a 2 on the front, or on this side. So what we're going to do now is turn her on. We're going to see how easy it is to start her up. So basically you turn it on for 3 seconds, I believe. Let go, and there she goes. So that wasn't hard, was it? Oh, there you go. Clock's a bit out, says almost, 10 o'clock, but it's not. Obviously we're going to have to set it up so it's connected to the network and that. So you have a number of apps already on here. So maps, files, Gmail, APK Pure, whatever that is. Anything else? Oh, that's loud. Made me jump. And turn the volume down a bit. So volume adjustment is really easy to do, which is nice. If I press that, that should just go dark. Puts in the screen mode, something like that. Google Play Protect is turned on. This feature protects your device from harm. Okay. How'd you get out of that? Okay, just swipe it up. So this has Bluetooth as well as Wi-Fi. And the reason you might want Bluetooth is, let me move that out of the way, is if you want to connect a keyboard or something like that to it, you can through Bluetooth. So that's quite a nice little feature. Google Play Protect, yeah, we know about that, go away. So what else is up here? Your settings. So here's all your settings. Battery, 96%. Yeah, it's almost fully charged, so I couldn't wait any longer. Storage, 10% used. So we've got 28.75 gigabytes left. Display, blah, blah, blah. And usual stuff. And that'll be running in the background, get rid of that. Right, let's see if there's anything else on it. So everything is there. So you have a clock, your drive, which is external drive. Your files, Google Bits, let's have a quick look, Assistant, Gallery, blah, 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 and usual stuff, Play Store. Oh, there's your settings. Sound recorder, that's quite good. Calculator, maps, calendar, YouTube, language, and click free. I'll have a quick look at that. Free gift. Oh, it's a free gift. Have a quick look. Welcome to Chrome. Okay. So we've got to set up a Chrome account. Turn on no thanks. We're just going to test it out for now. See how good she is. No internet. So we've got to sort out the internet. I will do that right now, and I will be guessing. You need to go in here. Network. Blah blah blah. Wi-Fi is off, so we want it on. And I'm going to skip all this bit because you don't need to see this. Right, so Wi-Fi is now set up, so that was, like I said, quite easy. Click on this again, and we should get something. Join the free VIP, blah blah blah. I'm not going to do anything like that. I just want to see what it does. Are you sure you want to close? I'm sure. Want a free gift. There you go. So that's what that does. So let's see if we can install a game and see how easy it is to work. So we've got Kindle in there, didn't notice that earlier. So we've got Kindle. I mean, you want to see how fast it is. So it wants me to sign in. Right, so that worked fine. It played okay. There's a little bit of lag there, but you've got to understand, this is not expensive. Let's have a look at the camera itself. So like I said, there should be two cameras. Allow camera to access the device, allow it all the time, of course. We don't care. Right, so, I don't know, we'll do my Stream Deck. Let's turn it. and take a photo. Oh, okay, that was okay. Have a look. Yes, I've got a lot of light going on at the moment for the video, so I need to find something that's going to give me a natural light. And how do you play? Ah, I see. Press play. So you've got to bear in mind, this is never going to be a fantastic picture quality, but is it good enough? So I'm going to delete that. I don't need that no more. Delete. That is a photo, I believe. So I took a photo. So look a bit wishy-washy, but like I said, you can't expect it to be fantastic. Keyboard, video.
Starts off with a little bit of lag.
It's not bad though, I'll give it that. Right, so what do I think then? For the amount of money you pay, £83, around that sort of price, I thought it was pretty good. Wasn't expecting it to be fantastic. Picture quality on video and camera I thought it was okay. It's not brilliant by any standards, but it is okay. If you are looking for a cheap tablet that can play games on it, which we just proved it can, or if you want to watch video from, say, for instance, YouTube, the quality of the videos from YouTube are excellent, or any films. They are very good, nice and clear, as you can see in my video. This might be the baby for you. I think, like I said, for the amount of money you pay, I think it's well worth that kind of money. Definitely gets my thumbs up on this, and hopefully you like it. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. I think, like I said, for £83, I think it's well worth that kind of money. Without a doubt. You can upgrade the memory to up to 128 gigabytes. It comes with a USB charger, as a headphone socket, and I believe that might be a reset button. And yeah, only has mono speaker. Definitely gets my thumbs up for the amount of money you pay. I think it's well worth the money. So with that, what I will do, I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. It's free. It doesn't cost you any money. Thank you very much for watching.